2026 Carado CV541, the first camper van with a real staircase. What if a compact camper van could feel like a small luxury apartment on wheels? What if climbing into your bed didn't mean awkward ladders, tight squeezes, or midnight gymnastics? Today, we're looking at a camper van that quietly breaks a long-standing rule of van life, the 2026 Carado CV541, a vehicle that dares to introduce something unheard of in this segment, a real staircase inside a camper van. This isn't a concept. This isn't marketing hype. This is a production-ready European camper van designed to change how space, comfort, and usability are defined in compact motorhomes. In this video, we'll explore the exterior design, step inside the living space, examine the kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, talk performance and driving comfort, dive into the onboard technology, and finally, give you a clear, honest list of pros and cons. By the end, you'll know whether the Carado CV541 is a clever innovation or a genuine game-changer in camper van design. Let's begin. Exterior design. At first glance, the 2026 Carado CV541 looks clean, modern, and purpose-built rather than flashy. This is a van designed to blend practicality with understated European styling. The body proportions are compact, making it city-friendly and campsite-ready, yet the design lines are sharp and confident. Smooth side panels, integrated windows, and subtle badging give it a refined road presence without screaming for attention. Aerodynamically, the CV541 is shaped for efficiency. Rounded front edges, flush-mounted components, and a streamlined roof profile help reduce wind resistance, important for both fuel economy and highway stability. Carado uses high-quality exterior materials with solid panel fitment, ensuring durability in changing climates. The paint finish is robust, designed to withstand long-distance touring, harsh sun exposure, and frequent travel. Large access doors provide easy entry to storage compartments, while the sliding side door and rear doors are engineered for daily usability. Everything feels functional, well-measured, and built for real-world van life. On the road, the CV541 doesn't feel bulky. Instead, it presents itself as a confident, modern camper van that looks just as comfortable parked in a city street as it does in a mountain campsite. Interior and living space. Step inside, and this is where the Carado CV541 begins to separate itself from the competition. The interior design philosophy is clean, bright, and intelligently layered. Light wood finishes are combined with soft-touch surfaces and neutral upholstery, creating a space that feels warm without being heavy. Natural light plays a major role here. Strategically placed windows and roof lighting make the interior feel far more spacious than the exterior dimensions suggest. The lounge area is thoughtfully arranged, offering comfortable seating that doesn't feel cramped. The cushions are firm yet supportive, designed for long evenings, remote work, or relaxed mornings on the road. But the star of the show is impossible to miss. Instead of a ladder or awkward step system, the CV541 features a real staircase, a genuine walkable staircase that leads to the sleeping area. This isn't just a design gimmick, it dramatically improves daily usability. Climbing to bed feels natural, safe, and comfortable. It's especially valuable for families, taller travelers, or anyone who values ease of movement inside their camper. The staircase also integrates storage, maximizing every inch of vertical space. This is smart engineering, not wasted volume. The overall interior atmosphere is calm, premium, and practical. Proof that compact doesn't have to mean compromised. Kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The kitchen in the Carado CV541 is designed for real cooking, not just reheating meals. You'll find a well-sized countertop, efficient storage drawers, and high-quality cabinetry with soft-close mechanisms. Everything feels solid and rattle-free, even when driving on uneven roads. Appliances are modern and energy-efficient, including a multi-burner stove and a compact yet capable refrigerator. Ventilation is well thought out, preventing heat and odors from lingering inside the living space. Moving upward via the staircase, the sleeping area is a revelation for a camper van of this size. The bed platform is stable, spacious, and easy to access. No climbing, no awkward angles. Just walk up and lie down. Mattress quality is supportive, designed for extended trips rather than occasional weekends. Headroom is better than expected, and ambient lighting creates a cozy, hotel-like atmosphere at night. The bathroom continues the theme of intelligent space management. It's compact but functional, featuring a proper toilet, shower capability, and well-placed storage for toiletries. Water systems are designed for efficiency, making the CV541 suitable for both campsites and off-grid travel. Every zone, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom feels carefully engineered rather than squeezed in. Performance and driving experience. Underneath, the 2026 Carado CV541 is built on a proven European van platform, known for reliability and smooth driving dynamics. Engine options are tuned for a balance of power and efficiency, offering enough torque for highway cruising, mountain roads, and fully loaded travel scenarios. On the road, the CV541 feels stable and predictable. Steering is responsive, visibility is excellent, and body roll is well controlled for a camper van. Long-distance driving comfort is a highlight. The suspension absorbs road imperfections effectively, reducing fatigue on extended journeys. Whether you're navigating narrow city streets or cruising on open highways, the CV541 feels manageable, confident, and surprisingly car-like for a motorhome. Technology and smart features. The cockpit is modern and driver-focused. A digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information, while the infotainment system offers navigation, smartphone integration, and media controls. Climate control systems are intuitive and efficient, maintaining interior comfort in both hot and cold conditions. Smart lighting, centralized control panels, and energy monitoring systems allow you to manage power usage with ease, especially important for off-grid travel. Everything is designed to be user-friendly, even for first-time camper van owners. Pros and cons. Pros. The real staircase is a genuine innovation, improving safety and comfort. Excellent use of space throughout the interior. High-quality materials and solid build quality. Comfortable driving experience for long trips. Smart storage integration without clutter. Cons. Premium design may come at a higher price point. Compact size limits exterior storage capacity. Not ideal for large families seeking multiple fixed beds. The 2026 Carado CV541 isn't trying to be the biggest camper van on the road. Instead, it focuses on something far more important: living comfort and intelligent design. The staircase alone redefines what's possible in a compact camper van, making everyday life on the road safer, easier, and more enjoyable. If you're looking for a modern, thoughtfully designed camper van that blends innovation with practicality, the Carado CV541 deserves serious attention. Now I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about a real staircase in a camper van? Is this a game changer or something you could live without? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if this video helped you, and subscribe for more in-depth motorhome and camper van reviews. See you in the next one.